the word emptiness in Buddhism. Emptiness, number one, is not equal to nothingness. It's like zero, mathematical zero. And interestingly, both these two concepts, the mathematical concept of zero and the philosophical concept of shunyata, I think both originated in India. So just like the mathematical concept of zero, zero seems to be having no value, but it is the foundation of mathematics. It's because there is a zero you can have 10, 20, 100 and so on. So similarly, emptiness is not equal to nothingness, but emptiness means empty of independent existence. Now to make it a little bit more clear, things exist. If things exist, there are only two ways of existence: dependent existence or independent existence. There is no third possibility. These two are mutually exclusive. So now things are dependent on causes, conditions and so forth. So therefore there is no independent existence. So that leg of independent existence is called emptiness. So therefore emptiness and dependent origination are two sides of the same coin. Because of dependent origination, there is no independent existence.